mine. Cancel my shit, record mine. Cancel you. So you zoom in, zoom out, man. Oh my fucking god. Oh, damn.
nhớ rồi cái tí rồi xa nữa nói là cả tàu tôi xin chỉ nhớ Facebook hay YouTube đó. Moonlight Matters in the yellow bus is here. Happy New Year đó, okay? Nó là rong sông chia ở phản này ngọc bao đó, okay? And next year we're gonna have a new president. It's gonna be great. I mean, this year we're gonna be having a new president. End of this year. I guess the only one that doesn't have a great New Year is Nick, huh? Tốt lẽ đó, fuck it. Chỉ muốn chào lì, chỉ lại muốn not pick your fucking Fresno. I have people waiting for him to take him out to eat, man. You know what I mean? I guess he never made it. Nó nhớ trẻ hậu mẹ sẽ cho một lẽ đó, getting all depressed and start threatening Brother Na and I don't know who else. You know, that's what happened. You got to get out, man. Do something with your life. So a little bit of tattoo, like Shindao Bay, Fresno New Year nightclub. Okay. I'm not gonna say much because you know what? Every year, but in the video, all I hear was bang, 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 like gunshot. All I want to know is that fucking nhon này có nhiều spy chỉ mù lên á. I mean, for Christ's sake, when you hear bullets, you crawl out the fucking way, all the way to the fucking door, whatever it is, okay? Because you have to eat serial killer, chứ thằng này chú bỏ nó chứ. Mẹ chạy nhau bự lên nói nó chứ, chỉ boom, 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 nó sao? Excuse me, I'm on nightclub, chứ. I'm teaching you guys how to survive in a nightclub. Okay? So when you see them throwing beer bottles and everything, you start crawling. Okay? Because if you stand up, you might get hit by one of them bottles. You crawl, you keep crawling, because if you don't crawl fast enough, you might get hit by one of them bottles. Okay? Or one of them shit might break and crack you right in the skull. And if you hear a gunshot, wherever direction it was coming, you crawl. And you crawl like a fucking lizard. You make sure you crawl fucking fast. Okay? Oh shit. Oh, no, sana. You don't want to die. You better crawl faster than you ever crawled before in your life. Okay? That's how you're gonna survive in a nightclub. Mong nightclub. Okay, got that. Mongly man. They're too fucking hot-headed. Thầu tua nightclub mà. Thật thật là đó chỉ một chút chế cho mà bao nhiêu một không sự nó lại cũng chỉ bảo mìnhจะ like ก็เลย yeah. I don't not understand. กูสาก็ไม่เห็นบอกเลยกินไม่ออกแต่ nightclub ไม่เห็นบอกเลยก็我แต่เจ๊就ไม่半年了กูจะขอไม่จ่ายแล้ว但是没จ่าย like ก็那แต่เจ๊มา半年没空做在点做做呢如明了但是用多做的 nightclub 嘛你我来很个嘞哎没จะ透露กัน啦 motherfucker you man yeah you know I can see the bottle throwing, but man, what's up with the fucking gun, dude? And why is this club haven't have any fucking security with metal detector or something? Luclano used to be night track at one time when I was there in California. Now it turned to YOLO, and there's still ghetto as shit from back in the days. Fucking, there was fights every weekend when I was there at night track. Fucking even shootout and shit, man. Fucking Fresno ain't no joke when it comes to fucking game, fucking shit. You know, that's pretty much everywhere. So, cô hai ý là wisdom word cho mấy cháu bắt thâu lầu ha, mấy cháu tu lo gì nhà mong night party thầu New Year nè. Save your fucking money. Go to fucking Red Lobster or some motherfucking where and eat good. And drink and have a great time. Fuck these fucking places. Mình muốn tao chỉ mới nói chị accident happen, you cho mà thỏ lô, cho mà bỏ lò something, you tao từ lô, whatever. It's not worth it because most people don't know how to party. Okay? That's my wisdom word for y'all today. And Happy New Year. If you want to live, follow my instruction. Okay? Because more lives matters. And the yellow bus is here.